Hello there, welcome to my video. My name is Detrauma UG, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Instagram account to a professional account. Now this comes with a bunch of new tools that you can play with and get the most out of this application, and without wasting time, let's dive right into this video. On the very start, you're gonna open up your Instagram account, and once you open up your Instagram account, this is exactly how your Instagram account is gonna be looking. Now you want to go ahead and click in the bottom right corner right here on the profile icon, and it's gonna bring you to this page. While you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on the three dash lines at the top right corner right there. Now once you are right here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. So I'm gonna scroll down. Once you scroll down, you want to go ahead and find this section right here that says for professionals. Now you want to go ahead and click on account type and details. Once you've clicked on account type and details, there's the types of accounts right here. The first option is you want to switch to a professional account, or you want to add a new professional account. Now in this case, since you want to switch to a professional account, I'm going to go ahead and click on the first option right there. Now that I've clicked on the first option right there, I want to go ahead and read through what it offers and what I'm gonna be expecting, and once I'm done with that, it's gonna take me to this page right here. And from this page, you want to go ahead and select what best describes you. Now in this case, I'm gonna go with maybe a digital creator because I want to be creating videos. I think that's nice on me. So once I've done that, I want to go ahead and click done. After clicking on done, you want to go ahead and select right here, are you a creator or you want to just use your account for business? Since I'm gonna be a creator, I can leave it on that option right there and just go ahead and click on next right there. Now once I've clicked on next right there, I want to go ahead and read through this. You can read through this, you can share logins with accounts, that is a pass. You can go ahead. Now once you've done reading all that, you can go ahead and click on continue if you want to try it out, but in this video I want to go ahead and click not now because we can do this later. Now set up your profile account in 7 steps. Now we've done 2 steps out of 7, and with this I think you can always skip this by just clicking right there. If you want, you can go ahead and set up all these just to complete your profile, but since we've done all the other steps, we can always do this anytime, and I'm gonna be making videos on how to do all this. So if you're interested in that video and you want to become a creator on Instagram, you can always subscribe onto my YouTube channel so that I can be making videos that are gonna be helpful in your journey of creation. So you want to go ahead and click right there. Now that I've clicked right there, you can see right here we have 2 of 7 steps complete, and this is our professional dashboard right here. So we can always go ahead and click right there in order to complete all those steps and get our account ready. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. Now that I've done these steps, I want to go ahead and click right there, and as you can see, boom, my account has already been transformed to a professional account, and I have a professional dashboard right here, which I'm gonna open up for you guys to see. I can always go ahead and click on it right there, and as you can see right here, I don't have any views, I don't have any interactions, I don't have any new followers. The content that I've shared, I have only 3. So As you can see, this is my professional dashboard right here, and I can check a lot of things right here. These are the kind of tools, these are the tools that I've been talking about that come with this professional account right here. So that's it for the professional account, and if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video that I'm gonna be uploading. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.